Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello all my dear students. How are you today? Fine? Nice? I hope so. My concern today is to differentiate between sounds and letters. So, my question, what's the difference between sounds and letters? When we talk about spelling, we need to keep in mind the difference between the written language and the spoken language. It's important to be clear about the difference between letters and sounds. How we write words and how we say them. For example, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. But in spoken English, we use around 44 different sounds. The number varies slightly depending on our accent. This means that the 26 letters have to be used to represent a much larger number of sounds. So, sounds and letters don't always match up neatly. Let's see some examples. Fly has Y letter but I sound. Cry has Y letter but Y sound. Year has Y letter but Y sound. Cinema has C letter but S sound. Car has C letter but K sound. Fly, cry, year, cinema, car. Cinema, car. Cinema, C is pronounced S. Car, C is pronounced K, K, K. Fly, Y is pronounced I. Cry, Y is pronounced I. Year, Y is pronounced Y, Y. Fly, cry, year, cinema, car. So, there is a difference, clear difference between sounds and letters, spoken language and written language. To summarize all the story of the difference between sound and the letter, English has 26 letters but 44 sounds. We are going to study the sounds. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants like K, B, D, etc. L, M, N, P, S, T. That's all, my dear students. I have now come to the end of my presentation. I have now come to the end of my video. Please study hard, do your best. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamu alaikum.